Hello everyone, I am Jyotiprakash and I welcome all of you to our SSCMONK YouTube channel. This is our third lecture in our foundation series and today we'll be learning complete basics of discount. Guys, whether it is CGL or CHSL, you will see at least 1 to 2 questions in tier 1 and tier 2 from this particular chapter, and trust me when I say this, many repeaters face issue while understanding the questions in this particular chapter because their conceptual clarity is not clear. They are not aware of the fact, they are not aware of the terminologies they are associated with discount, and that's why they leave or they skip and they take much more time, that is more than necessary, while solving this question. So in this particular lecture I will be helping you with 100+% basic clarity about discounts. You will learn each and everything from discounts, and we'll be learning basics of discount, discount percentage, how single discount will be derived from successive discount, findings, market price, selling price, cost price, discount on multiple items, profit and loss on discount, and the relation between all these prices. I hope you all are ready to learn this new chapter in the most effective and 100% result ready way. So let's understand. Guys, in the last class when I was teaching you that profit and loss, I told you that there are three types of pricing. One is cost price, that is CP, another is selling price, and the third one is marked price. So marked price is what? It was indicative in nature. It was indicative in nature. It was presented, or it is the price that you will see, or it is the price that a salesman or a seller tries to sell or show to his customer or her customer before he makes the sale. So marked price will be always on the front. Okay. Now, for an example, you go to a shop, you want to buy a jeans, and the price tag on the jeans that was mentioned was 15.99. So this 15.99 is the marked price, the price that has been marked on this particular jeans that represent the cost of the jeans. But now there will be two scenarios. You can either buy this jeans at 15.99, or you say that this is too much for me, I do not want to buy, right? So if you do not want to buy, there won't be any impact on the jeans, but the seller wants to sell you this jeans, but the seller or the shopkeeper wants to sell you this jeans. So what you will do, you will say, sir, do one thing, don't pay me 15.99, pay me only 1099, pay me only 1099 and you can get this jeans. Now what he is saying, you can pay 1099 and get this jeans. Now you agreed. So in last class what we understand, when both seller and customer agrees on a price, when both seller and a customer agrees on a price, sales happen. And when these sales happen, this 1099 is a sales price for whom? This 1099 is a sales price for the seller. Sales price will be always associated with whoever is selling that thing, and this 1099 is a cost price because this is the cost you paid. Is for whom? It is for the customer. Okay. So for three things we learn. First thing, 15.99 was the marked price that you are not ready to purchase it. Now the seller told you that you can get it at 1099. So you paid 1099, the cost price you paid, that is the 1099, and the price the seller received, that is his selling price, that 1099. Now you say, sir, there is a difference in between 1599 and 1099. There is a difference between 1599 and 1099, and that is 500 rupees. So sir, this what is this 500 rupees? What is this reduction or the less in number? So this is called discount. So what is discount? Discount is the difference in marked price and selling price of an item or article. whichever article or whichever item or whatever it is, if there is a difference between in its marked price and selling price, it will be known as discount. So for an example, I say a notebook is priced at 100 rupees. Okay, this is the marked price. Now the shopkeeper wants to sell it at, for an example, he is selling at 85 rupees. Okay, so what is the discount? So you will say, sir, as we know, discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. So 100 minus 85 is equal to 15. You get? Okay. Sir, in the next shop, if I want to buy a pen, and in that shop it is written that pen is 120 rupees. The marked price of this pen is 120 rupees, and discount that will be given on that particular pen is 15 rupees. So how much you will be paying, or what is the sales price of that product? Sir, so sales price of that product will be unknown. I don't know how to calculate. See, when I say difference between marked price and selling price is equal to discount, that means if I deduct discount, the rate amount, the discount rate out of marked price, I will get my selling price, right? So selling price is equal to what? Marked price minus discount amount. So selling price is what? Marked price minus discount amount. So in this case, in this particular case, the marked price is what? 120. Discount amount is what? 15 rupees discount. So 120 minus 15 is equal to 105. So selling price of the pen is 105. I hope now you are clear. Now you move to the third shop. Now you move to the third shop, and in that particular shop it is written that on the pen 20 rupees off means discount. On any pen you purchase, you will get 20 rupees discount. You went to the store, you see this advertisement that you purchase any pen, you will get a 20% off. You went to the store, you ask the seller of the shopkeeper, sir, what is the price of this pen? He said 80 rupees after discount. He says 80 rupees after discount. So 80 is what? 80 is the sales price, because whatever the price is after the discount will be known as sales price. See, in this case we learn sales price is equal to marked price minus discount amount. So 80 rupees is the sales price. See, these are the things which are confusing in nature, which will create confusion in your real examination, and that's where you will get stuck, and this is where you won't be able to proceed further and will lose 2 marks out of these questions. Okay, so you need to understand when it is said like this, when it is written like this, or when this will come in the examination, that 80 rupees after discount, the price of this item after the discount is 80 rupees. That means that is the sales price. Now, sir, we know three things. First is market price, second is discount, then sales price. In this case, we are seeing there is a discount amount, that is 20 rupees. There is a sales price, that is 80 rupees. Sir, can I find out the market price? What is the marked price of this particular pen? Yes, of course. As we all know, that selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. I can write it as marked price will be equal to selling price plus discount amount. I can write it like this. I can write marked price is equal to selling price plus discount amount. So in this case, the marked price of the pen is equal to selling price 80 rupees plus the discount 20 rupees equal to 100 rupees. What is the marked price of this pen? It is 100 rupees. I hope now you are aware about these three formula that are really important for your questions, for your examinations, whether it is SSC or railways. Okay. Now here comes the discount. So in general, there are two types of discount. In general, there are two types of discount. First will be single discount. Only one discount will be get. Second will be multiple discount. On the single item, you will be getting two or more discounts. Okay. And in these multiple discounts, there will be two things. One will be successive discount. For an example, you go to a store. This is the price of the pen. Now on the door of that particular shop, it was written, whichever item you purchase, you will get 10 rupees off. You will get 10 rupees off. So you went to the store and you took out the pen. You see, oh, it is 100 rupees and 10 rupees off is there. So it will cost me 100 minus 10. That is 90 rupees. So this was the calculation you made in your mind. You went to the shopkeeper. You say, uncle, can you please give me this pen? And you asked, uncle, what is the price of this pen? He says, beta, what I can do for you? You are my first customer of this morning and I do not want to lose you. So I will give you 5 rupees off, 5 rupees additional off, or 5 rupees additional discount if you buy this pen right now and do a UPI transaction. If you pay through Google Pay, I will give you this pen at 5 rupees less. So now you say 90 was the calculation you made in your head because 10 rupees off was there. Now uncle, the shopkeeper uncle, give you another 5 rupees discount. So now what is your total amount? Your total amount is 90 minus 5 rupees is 85 rupees. So how did we got to this 85? We got to this 85 after two different discounts. First discount that was given for everyone, that was 10, and a special discount was given to you by the shopkeeper, that was 5. So in total, what was that discount you received? 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 15 is your successive discount, you can say. 15 is your successive or effective discount, you can say, because this is the total discount and 10 and 5 are successive discount, one discount after another discount. I hope now you are clear how many types of discounts are there, and now you are clear that discount is equal to marked price minus sales price or selling price, you can write, and marked price is equal to selling price plus discount. From the last slide we have learned it. And the third thing, selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. I hope you remember these three things. And you all know that discount is applied on marked price. I hope this is clear now. Now let's see how this discount plays out. So the first question we are solving, a discount of 200 is given on the marked price. What is the discount amount given? Discount amount is 200 rupees. and the selling price becomes 800 rupees, and the selling price become 800 rupees. What is the discount percentage? See, whenever I have informed you X is what percentage of N, what we used to do, X by N multiplied by 100. Okay. Or if I say, whenever I am asked X percent of N, when I have told you, if I have to calculate X percentage of N, how would I calculate? X by 100 multiplied by N. You remember these two things? So if I say what is the discount percentage, that means what? This means discount percentage on what? And from the last slide, what I have already informed you, discount will be always applied on marked price. So this is discount percentage on marked price. So discount percentage on marked price will be equal to discount divided by discount divided by marked price multiplied by 100. I hope this is clear. And I also know discount is equal to what? Marked price minus sales price. So I can write down discount as marked price minus sales price and divided by marked price multiplied by 100 will be what? Will be my discount percentage. Will be my discount percentage. I hope this is what you are, this is the thing that I'm trying to help you understand. You are able to get this idea. How to find out discount percentage. How to find out discount percentage. This is really simple. This is really simple. Okay. Now, in this case, it has written that discount find out the discount percentage. Okay. Now, you tell me first thing. Discount amount is given, sales price is given. Two things we need in order to get discount percentage. One is discount amount, another is marked price. So here discount is already there. So I need to just find out the marked price. So marked price is equal to selling price plus discount. I have already informed you this in the last slide. So here selling price is what? 800 plus discount is what? 200. So the total, that is 800 plus 200 is equal to 1000. This is what? This is your marked price. Now discount percentage will be equal to what? Discount, that is 200 divided by marked price, that is 1000 multiplied by 100. So if I cross out the 0, what will remain? 20 will remain. So what is the discount? 20% is the discount. So discount percentage of this whole transaction is 20%. I hope this is clear to each and every one of you. If you do not understand this small concept right now, pause the video, go back and relearn again, because this is the foundation. If you are unable to, and if you do not have confidence over here, whatever you learn in the next slides or in the upcoming lectures, it will be difficult for you to retain, remember and solve questions. Okay. Now let's solve another one. Sir, here it is written a product is sold for 600 after a discount of 100 rupees. That means what, sir? That means, sir, discount is 100 rupees. Selling price, that is at sold at 600 rupees. So, sir, marked price will be, as you have already informed us, selling price plus discount is equal to marked price, that is 600 plus 100 is equal to 700. So 700 is my marked price. Now if I have to find out my discount percentage, it will be discount by marked price multiplied by 100. So it will be my discount amount, that is 100 divided by my marked price, that is 700, multiplied by 100 percentage. And if I solve it, I will get 100 by 7 percentage. Or if you have already solved your homework of percentage, you will see, sir, it is 14.28 percentage. So this is your discount percentage. How did we solve? We understood the line, it is sold for 600 after a discount. That means that is the sales price. Discount of 100 rupees. So the discount value is 100. So the marked price will be 700. And this is how you can calculate the discount percentage. Okay. Now, here is the question. Find the selling price. In the last question, we used to find out the discount percentage. Here we'll be finding the selling price. Here it has written the marked price of an article is 1200 rupees. Marked price is 1200 rupees. Discount given, discount percentage given is 10%. What is the selling price? We know from our last lecture that last slide, sorry, discount percentage is equal to discount divided by marked price multiplied by 100. You know it. And we know selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Okay. If I have to calculate my selling price, what I need? I need my discount amount. I need the value of discount. But I have given only discount percentage. So what I will do? I will first use this formula that I have already learned to find out the discount. So here it is written as 10% discount. So discount percentage, that is 10, is equal to discount value divided by your marked price, that is 1200, multiplied by 100 percentage. See, this symbol will cross out, 0 will cross out. Now 12 is left, 12 will come this side and it will get multiplied. So discount is equal to 12 multiplied by 10, that is 120. So what is the discount amount? 120. Now sales price is equal to what? Marked price minus discount. So here mark price is what? 1200 minus discount is what? 120. And if you know the seller method, 120 plus 80 is equal to 200. Now 1200 minus 200 is equal to 1000. So the difference will be 1080. So this is the sales price. Now we did this by simply using the formula we have learned from our last slides. If you want to speed up this process, if you want to speed up this whole process, if you want to speed up this whole process, how you can do it? Let me tell you. See, whenever it is said the marked price is 100 rupees, or I can say, for an example, the discount is 10%. 10% means 10 rupees discount on 100 rupees marked price, because discount will be applied on marked price. So if the price of an article is 100 and discount is 10, so selling price is what? Marked price minus discount, that is 100 minus 10 is equal to 90, right? So selling price is what? 90. So whenever I am given with something like find out the discount of this, find out the discount of that, I can write it like this. I can write it like this. See, here if market price is given as 100 and discount percentage is given as 10% or 10 rupees for an example, because we are taking 100 here. So I could have write marked price minus discount value is equal to this much. Or or I can write marked price minus discount can be written as what? Discount can be written as discount percentage. See this equation. Here in this particular equation, what is written? Discount percentage is equal to discount by marked price into 100%, right? So discount percentage is equal to discount by marked price into 100%. So if I'll solve it, if I'll write it like this 100 will come this side. It has multiplied in the right hand side. If it comes to the left hand side, it will be divided. So discount percentage divided by 100. Marked price has been divided in the right hand side. So if it comes to the left hand side, it will be multiplied is equal to discount amount. Can I write it? Yes or no? Yes. If I will simplify this equation, I can write it this way. I can write it this way. Now, here in this equation, what is written? Selling price is equal to the difference between marked price and discount amount. So I can write the thing of discount amount in place of this. So I can write in place of discount amount, discount percentage by 100 into marked price. I can write selling price is equal to marked price minus discount percentage divided by 100 into marked price. And if I take marked price from both side common, from this and from this common, one will be left minus discount percentage divided by 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100 will be there. So now whenever I will be given with the discount percentage and the marked price, and I have been asked to find out the sales price, I will be using this particular formula. See, you understood the derivation, right? Why I tried to help you with the derivation? Because unless you understand this, you won't be able to remember it for a longer period of time. And this is a very crucial information for your examination. You won't have much time solving all these things. You want to solve this question in 10 seconds without even utilizing pen and paper. That's why you need to understand this process. So here what we learn, so let me erase this. So here we learn that whenever we are given with the discount percentage and marked price, we'll solve it like this. And in this equation, if I solve it, marked price is given as 1200, 1 minus discount percentage is given as 10 by 100. 10 is the discount percentage, 100 is the denominator. Now 100 ones are 100 minus 10 divided by 100. Now 0 0 will cross out 0 0. So it is 12 into 100 minus 10 is 90. 12 into 9 is equal to 1080. See, this is the same answer we find out. So that's why you need to remember this formula. If discount percentage has been given and marked price is given, how to find out the selling price? I hope now this is clear to each and every one of you. I hope now this is clear to each and every one of you. So let's solve one more question. Marked price of an item 1600 rupees. Discount percentage 20%. What is the selling price? Sir, we know selling price is equal to marked price multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage divided by 100. Now mark price is given as 1600 multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage, that is 20, divided by 100. And if I solve it, 1600 20 sorry 100 minus 20 is equal to 1600 multiplied by 100 minus 20 equal to 80 divided by 100. 0 0 will cancel out. 1680 is a 1280. See how easily I have calculated this P by Q. how easily I have calculated this PVQ. See, these things are really small. You just need to remember few important formulas, few important concepts, and everything will be smooth like butter. Okay. So now this is a homework. Your first homework. Let's understand this. So till now we understood all the basic concepts of discounts, market price, selling price, how to find out market price or selling price. Okay. Now, now we'll be learning about how to find out market price. Now see, in the last question, what I have informed you, sir, selling price is equal to marked price multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage divided by 100. I have told you. Yes. So can I write this as here? This whole thing has been multiplied. So if it goes to the left hand side, it will be written as marked price will be written as sales price. Marked price will be written as sales price divided by 1 minus discount percentage by 100. Yes or no? Yes, sir. This can be written as like this. So now if you use each and every information, given over the question, you can solve it within a second. Sir, here it has written a shopkeeper sells an article for 350, selling price 350 after allowing a discount of 10%. Sir, discount percentage is 10%. Find out the marked price. Sir, from the above formula we know selling price divided by 1 minus discount percentage by 100 is equal to market price. So selling price is 350 divided by 1 minus discount percentage, that is 10 divided by 100. This will be my market price. Now if I solve it, I'll get what? So 100 in the denominator, 100 minus 10, 350, 100 by minus 10 is equal to 90 divided by 100. This 100 will go to the top. I hope you know how these things are working. I do not think or assuming that you do not know how to, solve these questions. Okay, how to solve this whole mathematics. Okay, I hope at least you know this. Okay, so now 350 multiplied by 10, that is 3500 divided by 9 is the marked price. Or if I start solving it, it will be 9 4s are 36, so it will be 9 3s are 27, 80, 9 90s are 81, 9 80s are 72, 9 80s are 72, 388.89. So this is the marked price of this particular article. How did we find out? We learned this concept in the last slide. Now we just twisted it and we find out this formula. See how this formula are crucial for your preparation, how this formula will help you solving questions within a second. Okay, let's solve one more question. A person buys an article for 600 rupees, sells it for 750 rupees after the discount of 25%. What is the marked price of an article? See, this thing has been given to confuse you. It has asked about marked price. So in order to find a marked price, we need two things. First, discount percentage. Second, sales price. Okay. In this question, in order to find out marked price, we need what? Sales price and discount percentage. That's what I'm saying. Now, here, sells it for 750. That means what? Sales price is my 750. After allowing a discount of 25%. So discount percentage is 25%. I have both the information. Do I need anything else to solve market price? No. So why should be I bothered about this information? I should not be bothered about this information. And that's why this class is much more important for beginners, or if you are a repeater who is struggling and who always take time in solving questions. That's why these type of classes are much more important for your preparation. You need to understand what matters, what does not. So here my selling price is given, my discount percentage is given. So marked price is equal to what? Selling price divided by 1 minus discount by 100. So what is my selling price? That is 750. 1 minus discount is 25 by 100. So if I solve it, I'll get like this: 750 divided by 100 in the denominator. 100 minus 25. 750 divided by 100 minus 25 is equal to 75 divided by 100. So 750 multiplied by 100 will come to the numerator. 75 will remain same. It will cross out. 1000. So 1000 rupees is the marked price of this article. See how easily we solved it. If you haven't watched this lecture and if you try to solve this question, you will still be stuck in this. Why it is given here? There must be something. That's why it is given here. No, it has nothing to do with this question. Question has asked about the marked price. You have both the option, that is what is the selling price and the discount percentage. Simple. Move on. Solve the question. I hope this is clear to each and every one of you. Now, this is a homework for you. I will be giving numerous homeworks to you because only learning concept won't help you get selected. You need to practice it. Yes, this was also homework. And I am also sharing the answer sheet as well, guys. Now everything will be frequent. So watch this lecture, share with maximum number of students and do this on daily basis. Okay. A person buys a shirt for 500, sells it for 720 after allowing a discount of 10% on the market price. See, this information has nothing to do with your question. So market price has been asked, selling price has been 720, sells it for 720, discount percentage is 10%. You simply solve the question through this formula. You see how easy it can be. Selling price is equal to 720 divided by 1 minus discount percentage, that is 10 by 100, is equal to 720 divided by 100 minus 10 divided by 100 is equal to 720 divided by 100 minus 10, 90. 100 will cross multiply. 9 8 is 72 and 8 into 100 is equal to 800 rupees. So the marked price of this shirt is 800 rupees. See how easy this is. But we always get confused with these types of information and we take much more time. Okay. So now when we learned about successive percentage, what we learned? It was like that. No, we haven't learned. Okay. So let's learn this thing. So when we learn about the discounts, what we learn? Sales price is equal to marked price multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage by 100, right? So if I say marked price of an article is equal to 1000 rupees, okay, the discount percentage that was given from very beginning was 10% rupees. So what is the sales price? You will say, sir, 1000 multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage by 100. So if you start solving it, you will get, sir, 1000 multiplied by 100 minus 10 by 100, that is 0 will cross out. 10 multiplied by 90, 100 minus 10 is equal to 90, is equal to 900. Now if I say the shopkeeper is again giving a discount of 20%. So what you will do? You will find out the new selling price. Now this discount will be applicable on what? Now this discount will be applicable on the marked price. So the new discount amount will be what? 1000 multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage divided by 100. So 1000 multiplied by 100 minus 20 divided by 100, and if you solve it you will see 10 into 80 is equal to 800. So now what is your new price? This is 800. But 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 will it be your final? Will it be your final price or final sales price? No, it won't be your final sales price, because the error lies here. The error lies here. You said, sir, the marked price was 1000 rupees. The first discount that was given was 10%. Then the second discount was given was 20%. I didn't say 10% plus 20% equal to 30% discount, or I didn't say 10% or 20%. I say first he got a 10% discount, then he got a 20% discount. So in this case, your new discount or the new SP will be calculated on, this value, not this value. Why not? Because this is a fallacy. This is wrong. This approach is completely wrong. Because first thing you got the discount is 10%. After the 10% discount, you get another 20% discount. You get another 20% discount. That's why you need to solve it like this. So now discount of 20% on this value after this 10% discount, that is 900. So it will be 900 multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage divided by 100. 900 multiply 100 minus 20 divided by 100. 0 will cross out. 9 into 80 is equal to 720 rupees. So your final price after the discount is 720 rupees. Not this one. You need to understand this. So successive discount is all about. So successive discount is discount on discount. What is it? It is discount on discount. So if two discounts are given, see, in this scenario what happened? For an example, MP was given, marked price was given 100 rupees. First discount was given 10%. So my SP1 was what? 1000 minus the formula, and I got 900 rupees. That is my SP1. Now another discount has been given. Now another discount of 20% is given on what? On 900, on my SP1, and then I find out what? My final selling price, or you can say SP2. Let's term it as SP2. So whenever successive discount has been calculated, whenever successive discount percentage has been calculated, how it has been calculated? It has been calculated like this. So successive discount is equal to discount on discount. That means, for an example, selling price was, marked price into 1 minus discount percentage by 100. This was for one selling price. But for selling price 2, this was for the first selling price. But for the selling price 2, it was what? It was the marked price, that is selling price 1 multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage by 100. See the same formula we used. Or I can write the selling price 1 as this. So instead of selling price, I can write marked price into 1 minus discount percentage divided by 100 into second discount percentage by 100. So this is how you will be calculating successive discounts. You will be calculating successive discounts. So this is the formula of successive discount. This is the formula of successive discount. If market price has been given, you have to find out sales price like this. If market price is given, you have to solve like this. Or if it is given in numerical form, for an example here, here nothing has been given. Here nothing has been given. So how to solve this question? So here you need to remember successive discount is equal to discount on discount, which means 20% discount on 25% discount on some value, that is x. Here x has not been given. So first thing, let's say 20% discount can be written as what? 25%, x into 1 minus 25 by 100, the same formula. Okay, then again the whole thing will be written as this. So in order to avoid all these things, what we'll be doing, we'll be simply using the formula. If A percent and B percent discounts are given successively, then equivalent or effective, whatever the language it has written, single discount will be A plus B minus AB by 100. What I have said? It will be A plus B minus AB by 100. Here in this particular question, A is equal to what? 20%. B is equal to what? 25%. So if I use the formula to find out the single discount percentage, it will be 20 plus 25 minus 20 into 25 divided by 100. 20 plus 25 is equal to 45 minus 20 into 25 is equal to 500 divided by 100. So if it will cross out, it will be 45 minus 5 is equal to 40%. So what is the equivalent discount amount? It is 40%. I hope now you are able to remember how to calculate effective discount or equivalent single discount. I hope this is clear. I hope you remember this formula. Write it down. Solve one more question. Here it has written there are two successive discounts of 12% and 18%. What is the equivalent discount? So we know formula A plus B minus A multiplied by B by 100. Here A is equal to 12%, B is equal to 18% minus 12 into 18 divided by 100. 12 18 is 30. 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. 12 multiplied by 18 is equal to 216. Do not focus on this options, okay? Divided by 100. So it will be 30 minus 2.00, 2.16. Or if I solve, or if I do not go this way, I can simply solve it like this. So 100 will be the denominator. 30 multiplied by 100 is equal to 3000 minus 216. And if I same use the scalar method, 216 will be 300 by adding 84, and 3000 minus 300 is equal to 27. So it will be 2784. See, you need to practice these things. Then only you will be fast in terms of calculation. Okay. Now, if I solve it, it will be 27.84 percentage. So what is the equivalent single discount? It is 27.84 percentage. I hope now you do not have any sort of confusion about this equivalent single discount concept. Okay. Now, this is a homework for you. This is also a homework for you. Very easy questions. You just need to find out the discounts. Okay. Simply use the formula. Remember, try to remember the formula, and you will see. Okay. Here, this is also, and all these questions are PYQs. And trust me, if you try to solve these questions, you will be able to solve it within few seconds. Okay. So it's quite easy. It has already been solved, so you do not need to solve it. Now, the next question. The marked price of an article is 400. A discount of 10% is given on the marked price, followed by another discount of 20%. So what is the selling price? So you have two things. What you will do first, as I have already solved you, sales price is equal to marked price multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage by 100. If another discount has been given, you just need to write it like this. You can either use this formula, or you can find out equivalent discount percentage. Then you can simply solve marked price into 1 minus equivalent discount percentage, because you have already clubbed the discount into 1 divided by 100. Okay, you can use both the formulas. Let's use both the formulas and see how this plays out. Okay, so here marked price is equal to 400. Okay, so selling price will be 400 multiplied by the first formula, 1 minus the first discount, 10 by 100, into 1 minus the second discount, 20 by 100. So 400 into 100 minus 10 by 100 into 100 minus 20 by 100. 0 0 will cross out. 4 into 100 minus 10, 90. 100 minus 20, 80. Divided by 100. 0 0 will cross out. 8 9s are 72. 72 multiply 4s are 288. So this is my new sales price. Okay. See, do not focus about these options. There are some typing error. Okay. Now, this was in my first formula. On the second formula, what I know, I have to first calculate the equivalent discount. So equivalent discount formula, A plus B minus AB by 100. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 minus A into B divided by 100, that is 30 minus 100 into 20, 10 into 20 is equal to 200 divided by 100. So 30 minus 2, that is 28. 30 minus 2, that is 28. So equivalent discount is what? 28%. So now if I have to calculate the SP, it will be MP into 1 minus equivalent discount percentage divided by 100. So MP is what? 400 multiplied by 1 minus equivalent discount percentage, that is 28 divided by 100, or I can write 400 multiplied by 100 minus 28 by 100, 0 will cross out. 4 into 100 minus 28 is equal to 72 is equal to 288. See, both answers are matching. This is why there are various methodologies available in mathematics. You need to find out what is suitable for you. You need to find out what is suitable for you. Which one is much more easier for you. Which one is easier to understand, easier to apply. So I have already given you both the options. Whichever option you are comfortable with, you can solve it through that. Whether you are going with this one or this one. But these are the best possible formulas or short tricks available in order to solve successive discount questions. Okay. Now this is a homework for you. Yes, this is also a home. Now let's solve this question. See, here it has written two successive discounts of 20-25% on marked price of the article. If selling price of the article is 1200, what is the marked price? So here selling price has been given 1200, marked price is unknown, to discount 20% and 25%. So let's see, let's make a successive discount out of it. A plus B minus AB by 100. So 20 plus 25 minus 20 into 25 by 100, that is 45 minus 20 into 25 is equal to 500 divided by 100. 100 is a 5, so 45 minus 5 is equal to 40%. So what is my equivalent discount? 40%. So sir, I know selling price is equal to marked price into 1 minus equivalent discount percentage divided by 100. Here mark price is unknown, but I know 1 minus 40 by 100, or I know marked price into 100 minus 40 by 100, marked price into 60, 100 minus 40 is equal to 60 by 100 is equal to selling price, and selling price is given 1200. So I can write 1200 equal to, now 10 will cross out, so marked price will be 10 will multiply here in this side, 1200 will to 10 divided by 6, 6 2s are 12, so 200 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2000. So what is my marked price? My marked price is 2000 rupees. What is my marked price? My marked price is 2000 rupees. This is how you should be solving each and every question, by using the formula. Okay, I hope this is clear. See, the same question, selling price has been given. After two discounts, you need to find out the original price of the article. Do not bother about this, what I say, option. I will eliminate this option in the practice set, so that will be easier for you. Okay. Now, discount on multiple items. Here we used to see multiple discounts. Now we'll be seeing discount on multiple items. So what it is saying, it is not that difficult. You just need to understand the terminologies or the language of the question. So it is saying a person buys 5 articles at 150 rupees each. What is that each? 150 rupees each. So 150 each. How many articles? 5 articles. So total payment 750. Now this is what? This is the price. If he gets a 10% discount on each article, that means on every article, on each and every article, he will get 10% discount. So what is the final price he will be paying? So I have two options. First option is, I will calculate 10% discount on every 150 rupees. then I will try to solve the question. Or I can simply, take out 10% discount on this whole 5 articles things, because they are of same values, so if I take common, discount percentage, it will work as well. So let's see. So when I say there is a discount of 10% on every 150 rupees, so it is, so the sales price will be what? Marked price into the discount formula. So 150 into 100 minus 10 by 100 is equal to 150 into 90 by 100. 0 will cross out. 59 is 135. So now the selling price of each article is 135. So selling price of 5 article will be 5 5 is 25, 13 5 is 65 plus 2 675. This is one method. You can do it. Or you can simply write 750 multiplied by 1 minus 10 by 100, or 750 multiplied by 100 minus 10 by 100 is equal to 750 multiplied by 90 by 100. 0 will cross out. Now 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 63 plus 4 equal to 670. See, in both the scenario, the answer will be same. You need to check, or you need to verify two things. If we are talking about multiple items and we are talking about discounts of those items, then their pricing should be same, and they should be getting same discount on each and every article. Then only you will be able to use this formula or use this methodology. Okay, I hope this is clear to each and everyone. Now this is the homework. A shopkeeper sells 3 pens at 30 each after giving 20% discount. So in each pen costs 30 rupees. The discount is 20%. So the selling price you can calculate cumulatively. Same, similar. Very easy questions. And these are the PYQs. Yes. No, this is asked about the total profit. Let's solve it. So it is saying a trader buys 10 pens at 80 rupees each, sells them 100 each after allowing a discount of 10%. What is the total profit? See, now you do not need to take out your pen and paper and solve thousands of things. You simply need to understand this question. What is it saying? It is saying it is selling them at 100 each after allowing the discount of 10%. That means this 100 rupees is the sales price. This is not a marked price. And this is where most of our students get confused. They mark questions wrong. They find out wrong answer. They waste much more time and they simply lose their mark and selection. So you need to understand, sells them at 100 each after allowing this means 100 rupees is the selling price. Now 80 rupees was its cost price because it has bought at 80 rupees. So what is the profit? Selling minus cost, that is 20 rupees. He is earning 20 rupees on each pen. How many pen are there? 10. It is 200. Do I need to use pen and paper for this? No. In order to help you understand, I'm using this pen and paper. Even if you don't know pen and paper, you don't need pen and paper to solve such questions. This is what I'm saying. You need to understand each and every question. You need to understand these wordings. Until unless you don't understand these wordings, it won't be helpful for you. Okay. Now, this is very simple. This is the price it has given. That means it's a marked price. Now discount will be given. So you need to find out the what? Sales price. Now, this is the question. A shopkeeper sells an article for 300, making a profit of 25%. What is the cost price of article? See, I think this is the revision of what we have already learned. So, sir, as you have already informed us, we know sales price is equal to cost price plus profit. Yes or no? Yes. And sir, we know profit percentage is equal to profit on cost price multiplied by 100. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Here it has already given, here it has already given the profit percentage and the sales price. Here it is given the profit percentage and the sales price. But we do not have the cost price and we have to find out the cost price. So in both these equation, there is one variable missing and I'm unable to solve it. So how would I solve it? So you need to remember this simple thing. Sales price is equal to cross price multiplied by 1 plus profit percentage by 100. This is what I had informed you in the last class. And if it's a loss, it will be sales price equal to cost price multiplied by 1 minus loss percentage by 100. See, these are the two things we learned from our last class, but we do not remember now. If we do not remember now, then how would we solve it? So here in this question, profit is given. So we'll be using this formula. So sir, sales price is equal to cost price multiplied by 1 plus profit percentage by 100, or cost price is not given. So I will write sales price equal to 300, 1 plus profit percentage 25 divided by 100. So 300 is equal to cost price into 100 plus 25 divided by 100. 300 is equal to cost price into 125 by 100. I can simply solve this by dividing by 25. 25 5s are 125, 25 4s are 100. So 4 will be multiplied here. So cost price will be 300 multiplied by 4 divided by 5, and 5 6 are 30. So 60 into 4 is equal to 240. So what is the cost price? As long as you remember the concepts, as long as you remember the formulas, nobody can stop you from solving any question in a timely manner. See, in this lecture, in this series, I am trying to help you with the base, trying to help you with the concept or the foundation. Once such series is done, once you are well versed with your base, you can work on your speed. There are certain other things as well available. With that, you can speed up your process or approach, and you can solve all this question very quickly. Okay, so let's move. A person sells an article at 1440 at a discount of 20% on mark price. If the cost price is this, profit percentage. Homework. I do not know why I kept this. What is the cost price of this article? So discount 5%. Okay, this is a homework. This should not be here, but this is given here. An article is marked. Same question. No, this is a good question. An article is marked at 1800. Discount percentage has been given 10%. Cost price has been given 1500. It has asked about the profit percentage. We know profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100, or profit can be written as sales price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. You know this? Yes, sir, we know it. So in this question, three things has been given. What is missing? Sales price is missing. Sir, we know Sir, we know sales price is equal to marked price multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage by 100. We have already learned this. So mark price is 1800 multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage, that is 10 by 100. So 1800 multiplied by 100, 1 is 100 minus 10 divided by 100, 0 will cross out. 18 into 90. 18 into 90. So 18 multiplied by 9 is equal to, so 18 multiplied by 90 is equal to 1620. So what is the sales price? Sales price is 1620. What is the cost price? 1500. So profit percentage is equal to sales price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So 0 will cross out. 1620 minus 1500 is equal to 120 divided by 15. 15 8 is a 120. So the profit percentage is 8%. This is how you should be calculating such questions. See, here there is a mixture of milk market price, selling price, cost price, and profit percentage. You just need to understand what is given and what I need to find out. And that's how you'll be solving these questions. Okay. Next question. Yes, this is also homework. We have already solved it. Yes, homework. See, you need to solve this homework. Don't try to bypass all these things. These questions are really helpful and these are the PYQs. I am giving 4 to 5 homeworks for each and every new concepts that you are learning or the new concepts that I have been teaching you through this, lecture. So try to solve these questions. Okay, by just simply watching this lecture won't help you get confidence or won't help you getting selected. You need to solve these questions. So now the cost price of an article is 240 and it is sold for 300 after allowing a discount of 20%. What is the mark price? See, we know sales price is equal to marked price multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage by 100, right? Do I need cost price in it? No. So I do not have to know about this. I just need these two things, sales price and discount. So here sales price is 300, mark price is not known. 1 minus 20 by 100 can be written as marked price into 100 minus 20 by 100. I hope you understand this whole thing, how this equation is being solved. So I can write marked price into 80 by 100, 0 will cross out. So marked price will be 10 will be multiplied in this side divided by 8. So it is 3000 by 8. And if I solve it, I'll get it like 8 4s are 32. So it will be 8 3s are 24, 60, 8 7s are 56, 8 5s are 40. So 375 is the marked price. Don't check this options. Okay. So 375 is the mark price of this whole article. Okay. I hope this is clear. How did we find out? We simply ignore the fact that this has any impact on this question. Our goal is very simple. We need to find out the mark price. For that we need two things, sales price and discount percentage. We have both. We'll put it in the formula. We'll solve it. A shopkeeper marks his good 25% above the cost price. See, we should not be solving this question in this class because it's a higher level question. You need to understand ratio and proportion well so that you can solve this question. I will do that in ratio proportion class. Same. Okay. Now, a shopkeeper marks an article at 500. So what is the market price? 500. Allows a discount of 20%. So what is the discount percentage? 20%. Now his cost price is 360. What is the profit percentage? So in order to find profit percentage, we need sales price, right? And sales price is equal to what? Mark price multiplied by 1 minus discount percentage by 100. So if I solve it, 1 minus 20 by 100, 5 into 100 minus 20 equal to 80 is equal to 400. So what is my selling price? 400. What is my cost price? 360. So profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So selling price 400 minus cost price 360 divided by cost price 360 into 100. 400 minus 360 is equal to 40 divided by 360 multiplied by 100. 0 will cross out. 400 by 36, or if I divide it by 4, it will be 100 by 9 or 11.11 percentage. So what is the profit percentage? It is 11.11 percentage. I hope you are getting the point. See why I am not solving here, because I have already given you the homework how to find out the percentage in the very first class. Okay, so I'm not solving that again and again. If I put you in the habit of solving these trivial questions, you won't grow, and my purpose is to help you grow, help you get better, help you build confidence in mathematics. Okay, so that's why I'm not solving that part. A shopkeeper marks an article 50%. We'll skip this. Yes. A shopkeeper gives a 25% discount on marked price of an article. If the selling price is 600, what is the marked price? See, selling price is given, mark price is unknown, discount percentage is given. You will simply use this formula and you can solve it. A discount of same question. Homework. See, I am not trying to skip these questions. I just do not want to waste more time. If you are capable now, if you have already understood the concept, simply utilize this formula. As long as you are revising these things are easier for you. I will try to help you highlight the questions which will be confusing for you, which are tough for you. Okay. Now, this is a very good question. Okay. There are few variables in this question. But this is very easy. You simply need to see the questions well. Here it has written, a trader offers a 30% discount on an article. Okay, discount 30% given. Sells it for 540. That means what? Sales price is 540. What is the cost price of the article if the profit is 20%? So profit percentage is given 20%. Cost price has been asked. So I will calculate the cost price. Now, do I need discount details here? Yes or no? I do not need discount option here, because the seller is already selling at 540 after the discount that has already been given. I have the sales price. I have the profit percentage. So in order to find out the cost price, what I need? I need simply the formula that selling price is equal to cost price multiplied by 1 plus profit percentage divided by 100. Here selling price is 540 equal to cost price is unknown, 1 plus 20 by 100, or I can write 100 plus 20 by 100, or I can write cost price into 120 by 100, 0 cross out, 540 multiplied by 10 is equal to cost price into 12, or I can write cost price is equal to 5400 divided by 12. Now if I solve this, I will get my answer. So let's solve it. So if I solve it, I'll get 12 4 ja 4860, 12 5 ja 60. So my cost price is what? My cost price is 450. See why I put this question. I put this question in order to help you understand what matters in a question and what does not matter in the question. You need to understand when discount has been applied, when discount will be applied and all. So until unless you understand these things, you will be solving these questions wrongly. Someone will come and say, sir, 30% discount. So sir, marked price is 540. Now discount is 30%. Now I have to find out the sales price. Then he will do all the blunder. This is not necessary. This is not mandatory. You need to understand these questions. This is why I have prepared this whole series, and this is how, and these are the lectures you will be getting in your upcoming classes. All the chapters will be covered like this with all the basic information. So guys, this was it from my side. Do subscribe to this channel, like the video, put comments. I am getting less comments from all of you guys. Put some comments, share your experience, join the channel. The Telegram channel is SSC Monk Official, and if you have any doubt, then reach out to me through this channel and let me know how is your experience. Okay, so let's see you in the next class. Bye.